How to create charts and graph in Google Sheets. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to create charts and graph in Google Sheet. In order to create one, you have to first of all make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in docs.googlesheets, and here that's going to take you to your Google Sheets. And here I've already created this sort of interface, so I'm just going to show you the ways of creating your chart. So first of all, what you have to do is you just need to select the number or for which you actually wish to go ahead and create a chart. So when you press on it or when you select all, you can see right on top you have this option as insert. Go ahead and select that, and you can see there's this feature once again, and from the drop down menu go ahead and select one chart. It's gonna work, so it's gonna take a couple of seconds in order to create a chart. So here you go, that the chart has already been created now. And if you wish to see a variety of chart types, then you need to go to this current chart type and then tap the arrow icon, and when you do that, here you can see there are a list of charts available, so accordingly you can go through it and create one. So that's basically how you can create charts and graph in Google Sheet. And if you wish to keep it aside, then you can just press on it, then you can just go ahead and drag and keep it in a position where you want to keep it. So that's basically how you can create chart and graph in Google Sheets. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.